What's up, my Glam family? So today, as y'all see by the title, it's not my typical get ready with me. It's basically like watch me get myself together kind of video. If y'all want to see how, what I did to get this makeup look, stay tuned and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
She's late. I'm a diary's full, every name on every page. Cause I read to me, you're falling enough for me. I'll try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm hated on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today, everything like art. I want to take a see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every sense of what's a glass and drive to play. Break you a song, do you wanna hear it now? They bring your friends along to phone the cloud. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them? It could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm hating on my knees. It's so much that I need. She's late. I'm a diary's full, every name on every page. Cause I read to me, you're falling enough for me. I'll try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm hated on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today, everything like art. I want to take a see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every sense of what's a glass and drive to play. Break you a song, do you wanna hear it now? They bring your friends along to phone the cloud. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them? It could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm hating on my knees. It's so much that I need. She's late. I'm a diary's full, every name on every page. Cause I read to me, you're falling enough for me. I'll try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet.
Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all what y'all didn't see because my camera had died and I was charging it. So after I used this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit, I used the chocolate shade in this. It looks like that. And then I'll do a more detailed video because I changed some things up. I think I want to do an updated makeup routine because I've been learning different techniques and I like how this came out. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. After I did the contour, I didn't use any powder, and then after that I used my Airspun, the Coty Airspun loose face powder. It's naturally neutral, but it's a translucent powder. Y'all know I use that all the time. And I put it down my nose and under my eyes and my chin and my forehead. And then I took some of this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in a powder. Foundation in a powder. Girl, I can't talk. This is full matte coverage. And it says it's waterproof. I haven't tested that out yet. But and this is in the shade 330 Hazelnut. So I just did that all over my face. And then for blush, y'all know I use my JUVIAS Place the Saharan blush volume 1 palette, and I just went in with Neo as I always do. This wasn't like I don't know, it wasn't like a makeup tutorial. Like, I was just getting myself together because I've been looking like a bum. So I just wanted to do something, you know, I don't know, to make me feel better, I guess. For the highlighter part, like on my nose, I just used Lila, and then I used the highlight in this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. And like I said, I used the highlight shade. So I just used 2 highlights for my nose. And for my lips, I used I think this was Ruby, I don't know, it's just a brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store. And then for the other lip color, I used NYX Lingerie in Cheekies. Looks like this. And then I went off camera and curled my hair because that takes forever while my camera was charging. So yeah, I'll just show y'all what my hair looks like. But yeah, that's basically all for this look. Like I said, I will do a updated makeup tutorial because what I just did, maybe it's giving what it's supposed to give. For my eyes, I did the JUVIAS Place the Nubian palette, and I just took this shade right here and this shade right here. So I just mixed both of these colors together and on my eyes. So yeah, if y'all like this look, make sure y'all like this video and comment down below anything that you want to comment, and make sure you hit that red button, that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you know whenever I upload another video or my next video. And without further ado, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.